Crow is one of those projects I think a lot of people should have just watched the all-time chart. And the reason that I say that, family, if you look at the all-time chart for Crow, it seems like 5 cent was a floor. Every time it hit around 5 cent, it pumped to like 20 cent, right? But it took some time. 5 cent seems to be the floor. Once it gets to 5 cent, it doesn't seem like it goes any lower than 5 cent. To further confirm my summary here on Crow, the weekly charts, you can see that we firmly have broken the downtrend. So 5 cent seems to be the floor. The stock RSI has shown momentum here on the weekly, and Crow looks to be headed for the 10 cent range here because at the end of the day, it could have now started a uptrend, seeing that we got confirmation that this could possibly be the bottom. Now, if anything happens in crypto, something bad, a black swan, hey, maybe it goes back to 5 cents. But again, just looking at the all-time charts, 5 cents, and Crow's been around a while, so we got a lot of information that shows us that around 4 or 5 cents is the floor for Crow. And last time it hit 5 cents, I mean, it had a ferocious bull run. It went from 5 cents all the way to like almost 80 cents. So, yeah, it's looking like 5 cent may have been the floor from Crow for Crow. On the month here, you can see that we are up 30% on the month. And again, the exposure for Crow is going to be out of this world because they have that stadium, right? That stadium in LA. They're all over the NBA, and the NBA, believe it or not, is very popular across the world. I mean, these guys go hoop in China and get treated like superstars, right? Not to add, Chris has got licenses and compliance throughout the bear market. You do not see that from a lot of founders of exchanges, right? We don't see CZ talking about all the licenses and compliance that he has gotten. All we see is negative and FUD. Even LCX, we don't see them, sporting tens to tens to 20 of licenses across the world, but we see that from Kronos and crypto.com. Hence the reason why I think that this project has a very bright future. We've seen the uptick in liquidity being poured. I like the card. The card is actually pretty dope. I've never had a problem with my crypto.com card. Hence the reason I've always wondered why people are so down on crypto.com. I never understood the FUD or the um the negative connotation around crypto.com because I've never had a problem with my card or my hat. And to be honest with you guys, I've had more problems with Coinbase in dealing with Coinbase than actually dealing with crypto.com. So in my opinion, crypto.com is my favorite exchange. It's the number one exchange, and you can't deny the fact that third parties to help buy crypto is a narrative. I mean, when new people come into crypto, especially in the States, they have to use these exchanges. And I think crypto.com is setting itself up to be that number one exchange for people in the States. People feel comfortable utilizing this tech to buy cryptocurrency. Everybody is not going to use DeFi. So crypto.com has a utility and use case being that third party that allows you to buy cryptocurrency. Not to add, they have a entire ecosystem. One of my guys, Agent Zero Tectonic, he posted how he was utilizing Crow, Tonic, and Vino finances and all of these different avenues of passive income to earn Crow and earn crypto.com. So again, I mean, over the bear market, this guy has earned almost $10,000 worth of Crow just utilizing the lending and borrowing platforms in the Crow ecosystem. So you can say what you want to say, but this is an example, a real life example of somebody that's been throughout the bear market, utilizing the platforms that's part of crypto.com's ecosystem to earn a passive income. And when the bull run comes around, this you can see here that his borrow limit is 10 grand, but when Crow goes to what, 50 cent, a dollar, that borrow limit could go north of a 100K. And this guy did all of this in the bear market, not the bull run. So people are utilizing the ecosystem, right? The ecosystem has shown that it pays out a passive income. So that's a whole nother story. I could do a video on tectonic and the DeFi opportunities and the passive income opportunities. But I just think people sleep on Crow. People literally sleep on Crow. 5 cents may have been the floor in my opinion. The reversal looks like it's a very strong reversal. We're not bullish. You can see on the weekly Gaussian channel. I mean, we're nowhere close. But we did get rejected at the bottom of the Gaussian channel, which, in my opinion, is healthy because now that Crow is on people's radar, people will take it a little bit more serious and look to fill their bags. There's an easy way to get a 10x, in my opinion. It's one of those cryptocurrencies that I believe 10x is programmed with crypto.com. But hey, that's neither here there. Y'all let me know if you are bullish on Crow. Sorry about the camera. I'm busy today. I'm rolling. I'm on the road. I'm making things happen, but I had to get a video out to you guys. At 12 p.m. Eastern, I'll drop the full interview with Token Metrics, so be looking out for that. But I probably do something a little bit later. If not later, I'll be around the Patreon. Last night I was just putting mad content out on the Patreon. So again, y'all let me know what y'all think about crowcrypto.com. Crow fam, go crazy. Are y'all still bullish on Crow? What's going on? I ain't hearing too much people talk about Crow like they should, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you the next one.